Today I'm going to talk to you about how to make money on PayPal. This is mostly for the young, the people who likes apps, likes to play on the phones and using apps to make money on PayPal. But if you are adult and you want to try this, there's nothing wrong, as age don't count. I'm Dr. Lundi from LegitBlueprint.com. I provide advice, training, and reviews to help you create and grow your online business. And today, I'm going to show you easy ways that you as a teenager can use to make a few bucks extra. Subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, not to miss my next video. To be able to make this money, with the apps I'm giving you, you will need two things. A mobile phone, which I'm sure every teenager, even young at heart person like me, has, and a PayPal account. So open a PayPal account if you don't have one, because this is the most safest account to have, and the money will directly be paid into your PayPal account. The first app that we're going to look at pays about $1, $5, up till $10 to you. This Survey on the Go is a mobile market research tool that pays users for their opinions. You have opportunities to share your views on many subjects, including products and shopping, entertainment, sport, media, and technology. And the biggest thing, they ask your honest opinion. So please give your honest opinion when you give feedback on the questionnaires. Your honest opinion is important and your time is valuable. So they pay you for making the app part of your daily routine. You'll cash out with PayPal or by applying your earnings to a virtual Visa account. Amazon gift card or Starbucks gift cards can be used. Consistently, the nation's highest rated, best reviewed survey app. Download Survey on the Go and join more than 2.5 million smartphone and tablet users who make money just by taking surveys. Most people give this app a 5-star. The questions they usually ask can be consumer question, your experience, maybe going to Starbucks or going to one of the restaurants, they will pay you $20. Lifestyle questions can be $7 and so forth. So this one, it all depends on what type of questions. Lifestyle surveys with 25 is waiting for you, as you heard what I said. So go through and see if you like the app. This will not make you a millionaire, but for the unexpected and the few bucks that you need a month additionally, this can be a nice income. Now we're going to the second one. Toluna. Toluna, what I like about them, your voice and our voice, the voice of change. Here you can really speak up. If you don't like something or you found a problem with something, they would like you to speak up because they want to change and fix the problems. And because there's brands involved like Coca-Cola, Fiat, L'Oreal, and Kellogg's, most of these people, they would like to have honest reviews about their products and what you think about them. They will make changes. The only thing with Toluna influencers, they only available in US. So if you're not living in the US, it will be difficult for you to participate in these surveys and in this. But I have 3 other apps that can be done from anywhere in the world. Otherwise, you have to Google how to use a VPN app and then you can also do to Luna. This is what they give you. They guide you through, and you just have to give your honest review about what they ask you. So let's go to the next app. This is now paying a little bit more than what the first two are paying. So let's look at Observer. Observer, earn money via PayPal. Observer is a little bit different than the first two that I was showing you. Here they want you to go and shop and go out to different areas, shopping centers, restaurants, and they will pay you. Getting started is simple. You just head to a store, snap some photos, answer a couple of questions. Every now and then you'll also speak to a store associate. That's it. Observations pay between $4 and $20, and you'll get paid via PayPal or Coinbase. This side hustle is perfect way of earning money for dinner dates, movie nights, and other special occasions that will not break the bank. But they give you different tasks in different areas that you can do, and you can answer and make money. So let's not be too negative, as this is paying higher than the first two. And here, if you're a shopper and you like running around in the mall or going out to a restaurant, then this is for you. As I'm definitely not a shopper and I don't like restaurants or malls, I will definitely not make any money with this app. But let's go on to our next app. This is Easy Shift. Now this one pays a little bit more than the previous three that I already mentioned. Here you can get paid to shop, to eat, or to explore the city. They would like you to give honest answers about the questions they ask you. Tasks, you take a photo of products, you check prices, review promotions, and you will send the answers to the questions back on. Now let's look at the last app. This is the one for me. Although I'm working very hard on my online business, and if I really want a 7-figure business, I have to work hard for the next 2 to 3, maybe 5 years. But this app fits into my busy program. This is Cash Magnet. Get money from your Android phone. We pay for every minute of the time when you do nothing. They only want you to download the app and you let it run. So you have to have a phone and you have to have an internet connection. And the longer it runs, the more money you will make. So if you have an old spare phone, the best will be just to put the app on your second phone and just let it go. So you will make your money from the phone. No questions, no surveys, no shopping, no walking around any place. As long as you're home and the phone is running, you will have your money. So if we scroll through, you will see we have the largest payments because Cash Magnet unites all the best rewards programs in one place. You do not need to perform tasks, watch ads, or play games. Earnings will come in an absolute autonomous and passive mode. So for me, I enjoy this and it works. It's not going to make me rich, but for that unexpected, it helps. And here is all the questions answered. If you click on the question, how long does it take to get the reward? Your payment will be sent in 1 month after you requested it. Here, sign up and logged in. Is it normal to sometimes earn 0 points or is it an error? If sometimes, then this is possible, but it would be helpful to know how often this happens. So you can also give feedback to them according to the app and what's happening in the app. But if you sign up, just read through this and you will find out everything you know about this. This app is the one who pays the most, as I put it last, but I also have a surprise. My last one is my real business online. So if you really feel like you need something more than just this apps to make a little bit of extra income, click on the link below and check out the free training. There's a 12-step free training, and there's a webinar starting on the 20th of July that will tell you everything that you need to know about a sustainable, proven online business. And this is what I'm following currently. I can tell you it's working. It's proven. I have a wonderful mentor, and you will have my mentor and me if you sign up. Here is the 12-step action plan for affiliate marketing. 2 clicks away and you will know exactly what to do. So let's fill in. And here I will fill it again. Dr. Lund. This is my mentor Philip. And here is the 150 tutorials that you will have access to, case studies, strategies, and you can start immediately. You start your training, you can explore the members area, and you can join the Facebook group. So if you really feel you want to do something, my mentor Philip Borman about the 12-step action plan.
Hi guys, Philip Borman here, and thank you so much for joining the 12-step free program of Taking Action Online. Please jump in here with a realistic mindset. Don't just watch 1 or 2 videos and then walk away and never come back. Actually take some time here and sink into this training. You're going to see very, very quickly that this is not the usual $10 product or make money online thing that you've seen before. Match your actions with your ambitions. Do you want to build a business online that makes money? Well, then do it. You can't just watch 1 or 2 videos. You have to sink your teeth into it, jump in, and just go for it. Okay? I am always available. Literally, I'm always available. So, if you have any questions, click on Ask Philip and ask me. Okay? I will help you. And over the next 6 days, I'm going to email you with a series of emails. Okay? Open them. Look at them, watch the training I have for you, watch what I have to say, okay? Because I can make a difference in your life, but you have to work for it, right? Click the link below, jump in the training and start, okay? Get going. And make sure you register for the webinar because they're very valuable, and guess what? They're completely free.
Well guys, this wrap up what I'm trying to do. I gave you 5 apps that will bring you in a little bit of money. Maybe $1,000 to $2,000 a month. And then lastly, number 6 is my full-time business that's really going to be my 7-figure business in future. My video question for today: was this helpful? What next would you want a video about? Please let me know in the comments if there's anything specific, and I would love to hear from you. Once you used the app, how did it go? Please let us know. We would look forward to hear from you. Please subscribe to my channel if you didn't do it already, to make sure you do not miss any of my forthcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next video on the other side of the screen and in the webinar and the 12-step training.